Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how we can write the activity stream of Oracle Integration Cloud instance to logging service available in Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So as you can see over here, the activity stream, what you are seeing on the right side for instance ID 200011. So this will be available only for a specific amount of time. Beyond that, you won't be able to get the activity stream. Like if you click on this message, you won't be knowing what was the message at each and every point of action in the flow. So there is an option to send this activity stream to Oracle Cloud where we can retain this data for long as per the requirement. In order to enable that, we have to log into our Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So you have to traverse to your Oracle Integration Cloud instance. I am in the Learning 236 integration instance, which I am using over here. If you come down on the resources, you have to click on this logs. On the logs, there is this option, you will see activity stream. Currently, this is set to not enabled. What you have to do is you have to enable this first of all. On toggling that button, we will get the option enable log. So here we have to select the compartment. I'm selecting this compartment. Log group, I don't want this to be default. I'm creating a new group. I'm providing the name as Learning 236 group. Learning 236 group logs over here. Log name is Learning 236 activity stream. Log retention, we are having as of now option to retain up to 6 months. Yeah, we can. I'm selecting 1 month as of now. If you want, you can enable the legacy archival logs. For more details, you can refer the documentation. And clicking on this enable log, so status is creating. Let me refresh. We'll pause for some time until activity stream is enabled. As you can see over here now, our activity stream status is active. So I'll click on this learning group. You have to select this logs under resources. There will be activity stream. Click on this, or else you can directly click on this 236 activity stream and go to the respective stream. Now we are in Learning 236 activity stream. If you see, currently there are no logs as we don't have any instances run post enabling the log. Now let me create few instances. Now I will run this object storage test integration which we had created in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, please check out the video. I will give the link in the card section. So I have to pass the object name. So I'm passing it over here. I want this to be named as capture PNG in my SFTP. Once then, click on this test button. Yeah, looks like this is done successfully. Now let me go to my activity stream and refresh. As you can see, I'm having the activity stream. If I go to page number 2, there is request received by the request trigger. If you click on this, we will get the in detail message. Like if I expand this, as you can see, in detail message will be shown, like what is the message, who has the invoked, user ID, instance ID, action, what was the action and all. If you are having n number of integration which are getting triggered, and if you want to search for a specific log, then you have to click on this explore with log search. Once the custom filter opens, we have to write the query like data.instance ID is equal to, you will get the list of instance ID. As I have only one, you can use this. Click on this search button. You will get the instance ID related logs only for that specific integration. If you want to add few more filters, integration flow identifier is equal to something like this is only one integration for which the logs are available. If in your case, if you have multiple, then you can you go for that. I will add one more filter, as I want to reduce the number of rows over here which are displayed. I am going for data.message, where I want message only for those records whose message is having the keyword get. Click on enter. Now click on search. As you can see, I'm having only one row with a message having get keyword, that is while calling the external REST API, that is while calling the functions. Suppose that we don't have anything with the word get in the message. Like this, we can query the logs in the OCI Logging Service for our respective integration with the keywords, like by using the custom filters. We can store the activity stream for long in the Oracle Cloud. Currently, at the time of recording, we are having option to retain the activity stream for up to 6 months. Thank you for joining us in this video.